Hello, and today we're going to do review number 5. In this video, we will review the judicial branch, do reading and dictation practice, and practice some of the N400 questions. From past weeks, here are a few questions. When was the Declaration of Independence written? July 4th, 1776. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The flag or the United States? What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. What are the first 3 words of the Constitution? We the people. When was the Constitution written? 1787. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life and liberty. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? The Atlantic. Who vetoes bills? The President. Who makes federal law? Congress. Who is Commander-in-Chief of the military? The President. So again, our 3 branches of government are the legislative branch, which is Congress, the executive branch, which is the President, and the judicial branch, which are the courts. So today we're going to focus on the judicial branch. What does the judicial branch do? They explain or interpret the law. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. Who is Chief Justice now? John Roberts. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9. Here's a review of people you need to know. Who is the President of the United States? Joe Biden. What party is he from? Democratic. Who's the Vice President of the United States? Kamala Harris. If the President and the Vice President can no longer serve, who becomes President? The Speaker of the House. Who is the Speaker of the House? Nancy Pelosi. Who is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? John Roberts. Who is the Governor of California? Gavin Newsom. Name 1 senator from California. Alex Padilla. Who is your representative? If you live in Petaluma, it's Jared Huffman. If you live in Rohnert Park or Santa Rosa, it's Mike Thompson. Reading practice. Please read number 1. What do we have to pay the government? Please read number 2. What is the largest state? Please read number 3. When is Flag Day? Now open up your notebooks and get ready to listen and write. People pay taxes. Number 1, people pay taxes. People pay taxes. Okay, number 2. Alaska is the largest state. 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 And number 3, Flag Day is in June. Flag Day is in June. Flag Day is in June. So remember, Flag Day, it's not a national holiday, but it is a special day. It's June 14th. Okay, check your work. If you made any mistakes, please circle the word and write it correctly 10 times. Last, we'll go over a few questions from the N400. This will be the last part of your interview. Were you ever a member of, or did you ever serve, help, or participate in any of the following groups? A military unit? No. A paramilitary unit? No. Police unit? No. Self-defense unit? No. Vigilante unit? No. A rebel group? No. A guerrilla group? No. A militia? No. An insurgent organization? No. Were you ever a worker, volunteer, soldier, or did you otherwise ever serve in any of the following? A prison or jail? No. A prison camp? No. A detention facility? No. A labor camp? No. Any other place where people were forced to stay? No. Were you ever part of a group, or did you help a group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so? No. Did you ever sell, give, or provide weapons to any person, or help another person sell, give, or provide weapons to any person? No. Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, or weapons training? No. Did you ever recruit, enlist, conscript, or use any person under age 15 years to serve in or help an armed force or group? No. Did you ever use any person under 15 years of age to do anything that helped or supported people in combat? No. Have you ever committed, assisted in committing, or attempted to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested? Okay, so you have to tell the truth, yes or no. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by law enforcement officers for any reason? Yes or no. Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense? Yes or no. Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense? Yes or no. Have you ever been placed in an alternative sentencing or rehabilitative program? Yes or no. Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation or parole? Yes or no. Have you ever been in jail or prison? Yes or no. If you were in jail, you need to say how many years, months, or days you were in jail or prison. And you will also need to explain when you were arrested or charged, the date, and what was the outcome of that. Okay, remember to study 10 minutes a day. You can do it. You can become a US citizen. That's all for today.